Hello class, welcome to you another video of the chapter sound. Before this video, I'm sure you all well known about the how to produce sound, what is the why the what is the requirement of medium, and many more things. And in last video, I'll I have discussed about the human ear, their outer ear, middle ear, and inner ear. So in this video, we will discuss about the some important uh, definitions which are related to sound. Okay, the first one is a amplitude. Second, time period. Third, frequency. Okay. Fourth, pitch. And fifth is a loudness. So there are 5 or 6 definitions which are related to sound. Okay, so let's start from the amplitude. Class, the amplitude means the maximum displacement of the bob from the mean position during oscillation is called the amplitude of the oscillation. Okay, suppose this is a any bob means like that any ball like structure. When it move from the or it displays from the one from their mean position to their extreme position, it is situated here, and after this displaces from there and here. Okay, so the maximum distance from one extreme position to another extreme position is called amplitude of the oscillation. Okay, that means the maximum displacement. Clear? If anyone asks you what is the amplitude, now you can say that when any bob or ball to move or oscillate from their mean position to their extreme position, so the distance from the displacement from the maximum displacement from the mean position ड्यूरिंग ऑसिलेशन इज कॉल्ड एम्पलीट्यूड. उसे हम क्या बोल सकते हैं? उसे हम एम्पलीट्यूड कहते हैं. राइट क्लास, सेकंड देखते हैं. सेकंड वन इज अ टाइम पीरियड. सेकंड वन इज अ टाइम पीरियड. द टाइम टेकन टू कंप्लीट वन ऑसिलेशन इज called the time period of the oscillation. Okay, but how to check the one oscillation or when we called one oscillation is completed? So let's see the example. Suppose there are any string, this is any string, and one bob is hanging with this string. Okay, and it reached to there, suppose this is a A, B and C. Okay, 3 point A, B and C. When it oscillate or like that, this means first to reach from A to C, and finally it reach to B and again reach to A, means starting from A and reach to goes to C, then to B and then back to A. This is called one oscillation. Okay, this is called one oscillation. Dear class, oscillation always measured in second. Oscillation always measured in second. Okay, so I'm sure uh, you will know, you have known to about the time period. Time period means the time taken to complete one oscillation is called the time period of the particular oscillation, and it is measured in seconds, right?